Today I'm going to tell you a story of a doctor. This doctor was a very famous one in the locality and he has got a name in the society and he's a member of Lions Club and other uh, doctors clubs. He has got a good hospital and all the modern equipments and facilities are there in his hospital and many doctors, youngsters are working under him. The doctor is a surgeon and very special surgeon, that is he is very well versed in his surgery, and the only problem is that he doesn't think of the society. Whoever gets admitted into his hospital before the surgery, they have to make the full payment. He is not into charity or something like that. He always tells that money matters, and his profession, he has learned that money is everything. And one day, the young doctors under him came to him telling that a 23 or 24-year-old man is admitted in his hospital with blood flowing profusely, and as he has met with a bike accident and they couldn't locate his relatives as wallets or mobile phone is not there in his pockets, and the strangers or the passers-by saw the bike accident and took him to the nearby hospital. From the accident site, as this is the nearest hospital found, they have taken him here and he requires immediate surgery, and they have come to the surgeon so that surgery is made within minutes and his life is saved. But doctor, as usual, after his morning rounds, was sitting in his room and relaxing, and he was not willing to hear any of these talks. And he told clearly that if at all you want to serve him, do one thing, take our ambulance and drop him in a good government hospital which is nearby. And here, if there is no money, he won't be able to do the surgery. And in case they can locate or get the phone number from that man, call and ask the relatives to pay the money. And as he is busy and going to visit his friend who has come from US and will have lunch with him, he told that he's about to go and maximum thing he can do is arranging an ambulance to take him to government hospital. So the junior doctors were not that happy. They wanted the surgeon to look into this boy immediately, but the doctor went coolly and asked him to call if any arrangements of the money is done. After half an hour or so, when he was with his friend, he got a call from the junior doctor telling that the money has been arranged. Is it the 3 lakhs has been arranged? Yes, 3 lakhs has been arranged. So that could you locate his parents or relatives? Then they told that no, it was arranged by the passerby who has brought him to the hospital thinking that medical attention will be given soon. And as he was having a 21-year-old boy like this person who is injured, he thought that it is better to save the life of the young man. So he has somehow arranged 3 lakh rupees. So doctor come soon and please do the surgery. The surgeon told okay, and after the lunch he went back to the hospital and called out like, yeah, I have already come. And straight away he went to the surgery room, found the doctors there and told that okay, come, let us do the surgery of that person. Then the doctors were quiet and there were tears in the eyes. They were telling like, now there is no use, doctor, because the young man has left us. He has died 5 minutes back. The doctor went, saw the body. It was covered with a sheet. Okay, so sorry, I'm a little bit late. And he took off just to, I want to see who is this young gentleman, because you told that he's coming from a good background, from his dress and from his build up. Took off the sheet and was shocked to see the face of the young man. He started crying and fell down unconsciously. It was the only son of the surgeon, and the surgeon was, he couldn't do the surgery on his own child. Surgeon asked his junior doctors to take the man and come to the surgery room immediately. Let us have that. No, he can't go like this. He can't go away from this earth like this. But what's the use? The man has gone. His only child has gone. So if he had given some humanity concern and done the surgery, even if without waiting for the amount to be paid, he could have saved one life. The doctor learned the importance of life, family, etc. from that moment itself. But what is the use? He lost his only child, a grown up kid. Now that is a profession. That day I heard a seminar of Dr. Pankaj Chaturvedi, cancer specialist of Tata Memorial Hospital, Mumbai. He was talking about selfless work of doctors profession regarding the height of professionalism, what has to be done. And he was telling the quotes of Bhagavad Gita, where he was telling that daily we have to do two actions. That is, one is for our own livelihood, for bringing up our kids, looking after the family, and that almost all the animals and human being does. And the other is karma, that is selfless work. And doctors should not think that their profession is a selfless work, and it is, until unless it is not paid. If they are paid, then that is their job. It's not a selfless work, service they are doing to humanity. So I think that you have learned the lesson of life. Whenever you get a chance to help anybody, please do it. It's service. If you can give food to ants, a biscuit piece, that is again service. Or else the rice or bajra to pigeons or birds, or food to fish, that is again service. So whatever you can from your side, please do it and do service to humanity. Thank you.